Hi guys, Sing here, and this is a follow-up update about public AI. I have already posted the registration link or on how to participate with public AI airdrop, how to do the tasks to earn more points, how to refer your friends. But this time I'm gonna show you how to install the extension and try their AI agents. So what is public AI? This is a Web3 scale AI for every human that contributes data to train AI, evaluate AI, and share revenue. So they have 167,000 followers on Twitter right now, and they also have a lot of partners in the space. This is trusted by leading investors in crypto such as Solana Foundation, Foresight Ventures, leading AI industry like Stanford Universities, IBM, Amazon, and Web3 industry like Near Protocol, Chainbase, and makita nyo guys, there's so many more here. And also, this is featured by Bloomberg, The Block, Cointelegraph, and some of the well-known media. Now, if you guys don't have a public AI yet, this one, if you didn't register an account, you can still join. I have a step-by-step guide tutorial on how to do it. So I'm gonna post the link para mas mabilis kayong makasali. So for now, since we're going to install the extension, we're gonna use Mises browser. This is Mises browser. We will not use Kiwi browser for now because it doesn't work on Kiwi. I've already tried to open it in Kiwi browser, but it doesn't work right now. So we're going to open it on Mises browser and see how it works. Just install Mises browser on Google Store or App Store if you're using an iPhone. Now let's go to the Mises browser. And from here, you just need to enter or search public AI Public AI Data Hunter extension. Okay, so, and guys, this one, the first result. Okay, so click on it and click add to Chrome, this button here. Okay. Once it's added, just go to the extension list. This one, the button here. And guys, click on it and choose Public AI Data Hunter. Okay? So, click connect account. You guys can sign in or log in using your Twitter email account or connect your wallet that you've used to sign up in the registration link. So, let me use my Twitter account. Next, authorize app. And guys, connecting to Data Hub yan. Connected na yung account natin. Ayan guys, once connected, just go back to extensions list and choose Public AI Data Hunter. As you can see, I already have my points. So this is the same point that I have in the first registration link. Nakita nyo din dito guys. Hindi nga lang siyang exact numbers but it's almost the same. Pero hindi lang siguro updated yung sa extension. And guys, this is how we can earn even more points for public AI. Just click on how to use this link. And it says here users can choose to reply to high quality tweets. So high quality tweets means those tweets with a lot of views, engagements, likes, replies, and mostly those tweets from famous personalities or accounts on Twitter. While browsing X using the new AI reply feature in Data Hunter, users can passively earn points by keeping their browser open with the extension installed. So how are we going to do that? Let's go back to the extension. And from here, can you see this button here, earn more? Click on it. And this is how it works guys. Just choose any latest and high quality tweets like this one from Meg Updates, which has 10,000 views and 965 hearts, which means that this has a lot of engagement. So we can either like this post or comment anything. And guys, so we can just reply on any high quality tweets. And the new feature that is coming from Public A Hunter is that this one, because we can either generate an image or enhance our Twitter post or replies. Okay, so we can just keep this extension open and we will earn passive points. Yan lang guys, napakadali lang. You can do it on your phone. Just make sure to use MySys browser, or if you have your laptop or desktop, that would be good as well. And you can always follow Public AI on their Twitter account to get more updates on the upcoming airdrops and what is going on in Public AI. You can always engage with their community. You can follow Twitter account and join their Discord or Telegram channel as well. Guys, if you want to get more free crypto airdrops with step-by-step tutorial, you can always subscribe this channel and share it to your friends. Thank you so much for watching and see you on my next videos. Bye!